Yes guys, so we'll be making some plantain tarts today. Alright, okay, so here we go. Yes, so I put these plantains to boil with just a little salt to taste. So the plantain is boiled and I add a little vanilla, like a teaspoon, a half teaspoon cinnamon, and then I'm going to add nutmeg and sugar. Yes, so I grate some nutmeg into it, and then I'm going to add sugar, just enough to make them sweet. Should be measuring, but I get so used to baking I don't bother measuring anymore. Now I'm crushing these because they're going to be the filling for my plantain tarts. Okay, so crush these. So for the plantain tarts, I cut them square and I end up with some nice little squares, and then I'm gonna fill just the middle with filling. And I flap this over and I press the edges down just like that. Then I'm going to use the fork to press onto the edges. And now the plantain tarts are ready to go in the oven. I'm just making a little opening in them so air can pass through, so they don't become off and puff and blow themselves down. Alright, so they're going into bake now. Okay, this is going in the oven to bake probably about 25 to 35 minutes, somewhere there about. They are ready guys, and delicious, just add to heat.